Hello everybody, how you doing? This is John Wallace, and today we're gonna go over blogging, how to make it real simple. If you follow my other videos on how to write an ad, then you basically was also training yourself on how to write a blog. And the wonderful thing about ads is that the blogging is basically the same thing, but it keeps it close to your website, so it makes it more personal as opposed to placing ads. So I'm going to show you the ease of that, and I'm going to also show you in the back office the search inquiries that are bringing up the Millionaire Network online. So let's start with doing a little Google search, and then we're going to your Wix back office, right? And I'll show you what Wix is saying about our site. Now, as you can see, I'm not signed in, and when you start understanding what we offer, you're able to look for those programs online specifically, and this is what you want your audience to basically start to do. See, you put in TMN, which is not even the Millionaire Network in full, and say free money grants, and we pop right on up. Right? However it differs on your results, we're on that list. Okay? Of free money grants and stuff like that. And let's see. And this is on Google now. We're not talking about just any search engine. Oh, sorry, I spelled that wrong. The Millionaire Network free money grants, and look how many. Look at us here. You see, and our video. So we're populating, okay? And if we go over and check over one of the actual ads, you see that this particular ad had 14 views on it itself in United States, Mississippi. And that's just one ad, and there's thousands, right? So this ad is working, and it has a full plethora of information and services that we offer. Now, we want to go into the blogging aspect of this. So this is not about the ad, but I want to give you an idea of what it looks online to actually start ranking on the search engines. This is a lot of training that they don't teach you in these other trainings. They just teach you to run traffic and do emails and stuff, but that's not a skill because the software does all of that. When you learn how to draw organic traffic, one thing you always know is that you need backlinks. You need other authoritative sites referring to your training. See, when you follow a training, you're following them because they're a mentor and they're teaching you. But when you follow something online, you're following it because other sites are recommending it. That's why you should follow trainings that are recommended by, well, anyway, you have backlinks here to other sites, making yourself look like an authority. So we got JohnCWMarketing.com, and we want to see how many times online and its subdomains is showing up, and show you how many links that we have online. And we have over 5,000 links and 9 websites referring to JohnMillionaireNetwork.com, but the domain rating is still low because no high quality sites are referring back to it, right? Okay, so if we was to get, hold on one second, the other link, and so we put the original link there and we see exact URL. What's the domain rating? Domain rating is 94. With only 4 backlinks and 1 website. So you are ranking online, and these are the type of numbers you want to see when you're doing work online, right? So now we're going to go over to the Wix back office, and I want to show you the activity feed on what Google is saying is the reason why they show our sites. So when anybody Googles Millionaire Network, Millionaire Business Network, quick ads, our website is showing up. And this number here is the placement of the site on the page. So between 1 and 100, we're number 11. We're number 25. We're number 72, right? And Google is saying these are the searches that generally people are going online and we're showing up for. And it'll even tell you your top pages, the home page, like Soma, and plans and pricing. Plans and pricing, that's exciting because that means that people are going to this page to join the Millionaire Network. That's what this means. There's been clicks on this to join the network, okay? And it's not even open for everyone. All right, so let's go over to your blogging section, which is located on your website, depending on how you have your website set up. And in this section is where you're going to blog and draw traffic to your website, right? So how do we make that very, very simple? Well, let's take a look at the blogging posts first. Actually, I think it was... No, this is not the setup I wanted to see for the blog. Hold on one second. All right, so how do you write a blog? It's really, really simple. You go over here to your ad that you already placed, right? You already wrote this out. It's already basically your blog. And you'll go in there and you're basically just copy and paste everything. Now, you don't want to use HTML, so you're just going to copy it as is. And you're going to have to add the videos back into your blog when you're as you're posting it. So you get back over to your Wix office and you say, hey, I want to write my first blog. Well, you grabbed your ad, right? We're going to create our first blog post. Now, this is definitely a different way to do this. So let me go back to the other way. Let me go back to the easy way, because this is, they changed the draft board. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to do it this way. You go into your pages menu. So this way you can find it easier. Go down to your blog. If you have your Wix site, it's going to bring up your blogging page, you see, right? And in here, when you click in here, you're going to see manage posts, and then that'll take you to the page to make it easier for you to post your blog. All right, this is the way that you will come and make your blog, and they have templates and, you know, all types of things. So you don't have to use, you know what I mean, your own template for your blog. You can use any of the templates right here. Choose a template. Welcome blog, product review. Now I'm going to put product review. Click edit. Now it has all this stuff in there and it looks all wonderful and great. Fine, that's great. If you want to write and fit your paragraphs within these structures, you can write them in, you can fill them in. I'm going to just erase them all. And I'm going to post mine. And then we're just going to fix that up, right? We're going to make it look exactly like our ad. So we came over here to the ad when it started out. The ad says Millionaire Network. We got a link there. And we also have this cash flow video here, right? So I'm going to go over here because we need that video. And the video is up here. We're going to just take the YouTube share, right? We don't need the whole frame. Now, if you can't remember how to do that, just go back to the original video on YouTube and take it. If not, that's how you do it. You copy from there, right? We're going to go all the way back to the blog. And in this section, we're going to press add, or you click right here. And it's going to give you options of what you can do. Right now, we're just adding a video. So we're going to add that video. We're going to post that link that we just lifted, because that should be from the file that you have saved for your ads. Then we add a little space, little punctuations, you know, get everything looking nice and neat. If you don't know how to do it like that, say if I go back and you're not sure how to work this stuff like that, you can come down here, just give this a little space. Then you come down here to this paragraph here. You'll come over here and it'll adjust your paragraphs, right? So we're here at this paragraph and say you want to adjust it like that. See? It'll adjust the whole paragraph. All right. So since we separated this paragraph, let me see. Let me put that back. Let's get that space. All right. So it'll adjust the paragraph to how you see fit. And let's say we want it like that, right? Okay. And let's say for this one, same thing. We want it kind of lined up in the middle, right? Let's get that. get that indentation over there. Sorry. No, I don't like that. Whoops. I think that I want that one to be towards the left. There we go. All right. There we go. And then you just, you play around with it, right? And now you go down, you got the Nanosoma one. We need also that link to that video. So we go back into the ad, we go back into HTML if you want to do it this way. If not, just grab it from where it is. And we'll go over here and it'll say Life Enthusiast. And then we'll come down here and we'll look for the YouTube video. There we go. We're going to take that YouTube video link, which is a long one, all the way to the quotation marks. All right. Now we have that whole link. We're going to copy it. And when we come back over here to our blog, we're going to do it. We're going to repeat the same process. Add video. Control V. That's your paste. Embed video. Now we have a video in our ad, in our blog. And this is a blog that's keyworded to bring back. Now we could keyword it as much as you want now, right? So you just keep adding the videos and messing around with the structure. And let's bring that up. That's too much area, right? And now we got Ninja Website Design, and we need their video to come in too. So I'm gonna go back over here, and I'm gonna go scroll down and Ninja Website Design. Okay, I'm gonna look here for Ninja Website Design. Ninja Website Design, right? So we want the YouTube video right here. Control C, that's your copy. And we're gonna come over here. Again, we're gonna add video. Control V, that's your paste. Embed video. You see how simple this is to blog? It's simple. Once you learn one skill, everything else is built on top of that. So all you have to do is just transfer one ad into your blog, and you can write this blog in many different ways. You can mix up the videos, you can take paragraphs out, and this one blog could become 100 blogs saying the same thing, a bunch of different ways. So now we got down all the way to the end. I believe that's the last video. Everything else is Word. So let's just clean this up a little so that it looks neat. Renown. Okay. Maybe I spelled that wrong. All right, so you play around with this, see how you want to set it up. Okay, right, and now you have your first blog. Oh, we also need a title, right? Now remember, you had a lot of titles, but if you don't have a title, remember the title was in your ad. Control C. Control V. You have your ad, you have your links. Now I'm going to come over here to make sure these links are actually clickable links, because I'm not sure if they're clickable in this state. They look like they should be, but what do you want to link to? Hold on, so it isn't clickable. So let me grab that, let me copy that. Now let me make that a link. Right now it's there. Save as a link. Link opens. Okay. Now it's a link. Okay. So that means that I have to do that for all of them. Okay. Is that a link? Let's edit. Is the link there? Okay. The links are there. Okay. So it's a link. Just making sure they're all links. Should always double check your work, because I make a lot of mistakes, especially with, autocorrect. Okay, is this clicking? Okay, that's there. Okay, let's spell this correctly. Okay, our experts, they work. Boom, boom, boom. Let's bring that up. Nope, period. Got it. All right, let's see what else we got here. And we're done, right? And you have your first blog post. Now we'll come over here. Now, you know, it auto saves. You can preview it, see how it looks. It'll give you a preview mode of how your blog will look on your page. And that sound you just heard on my phone is the sound of someone going to our website. Whenever someone goes to your website, you'll get a chime. Okay, and that's our first blog. Very easy. We could go back to editing. You could do more editing, or you could press publish. And I'm brave, so I'm going to press publish. Now the ad is online, bringing keyword. You know, the keywords are going to bring traffic. Just like it brought people to the ad, it's going to bring people to your website. Promote your published blog post. Choose from templates that are pre-filled with your content and ready for you to share. I already did that. Here's copy link. Here's my copy link. I could publish to social media. I could create an email campaign with it. What should I do? Should I promote the blog? Should I put it on social media? How about I don't do either right now, right? And I just leave it like that. Now you have your blog post here. You can view posts. You can share it. You can view the report. You can add a subscription plan. You have links in it. It's online. And if it's public, it should show up now. And this is basically doing everything that ads do, but doing it for your own website, which means you don't even, you know, the ads add to it, but this will keep it on your website. Now when people come and read, they can leave views, comments, they can click on all the links to the to the blog. They click on the blog to see it, and then they read the whole blog. And you have your videos popping up, explaining everything, you offering everything, you got all your services, and all these services are where? Right here on your website. The same website that Google is always showing us, you know, online for. Here's some of the analytics. Remember, this is a dummy site. I just make templates, and I'm already getting traffic, and we're already ranking on pages. Look, on this page, you know, should I go over traffic? No, I should keep it about the blog. All right, so that's basically it about the blog. It's very simple. Every time that you come over to your site to write a blog post, use your information, you know, your skills to write your ads. You got a whole bunch of different titles. Hey, you got a whole bunch of different titles for blog posts. Rearrange the ad somewhat. A whole bunch of different blog posts. You can put anything that's on your website, anything that you're selling, and you can write about it in your blog post, or anything that you're thinking about selling, or anything you want to write about. You know, if you want to put, you know, charge people for ad space, your blogs are an ad space. Charge people for that ad space. Charge people to write an ad for them, because it'll be here forever. Okay? Well, God bless and take care, and thanks for watching. Hey, before I go, I decided to do another ad and show you how simple it is to make your blog post. Okay, now if I was using the same ad here, I would remove some of the videos or rewrite it, right? But what we're going to do is that we're going to come over to one of our older ads. If I can find one real quick. You see, every ad has a different title, so you can work your titles. And that's really simple. But let's go to... Let me see this old ad. Let's see how this ad looks. All right, this ad has no videos. Okay, I don't really want that. That's too old. Okay, that went too far back. Hold on one second. Okay, here's an old ad where I was testing the platform out. So we're gonna take this old ad. Remember, it's just a blog, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna select all, Control C, or come over back over to your blogging area, over to your blog. We're gonna click post, or oh, I have a visitor to the ad already. Oh, we got one. All right, let's choose a template. For this one, we're gonna do another product review. I'm still gonna remove everything that's here. I'm gonna paste. I'm gonna fix and prepare. All right. Let's get a little area in here. Now let me look at the ad to see where the video was. The video was down at the end. Let's go get the HTML for the video. Here's the video. All the way to stations. Come down here. We'll add the video. Now you can keyword it, you can do more to it. I'm just showing you how easy it is. Of course you would want to put more work into it if you have to, but I'm just trying to show you, if you're brand new, how easy it is. So let's make sure those links are there. Okay, and this is a rotator link. So this is everybody's link in this ad. That's why it doesn't lead to one page. Now, why can't we change the colors of these? Can we? Make them blue? Okay, then I should have made them blue. Okay, and we have our ad. Now we need a title. Let's take the title of the ad. This is just for convenience. I'm not sure what the whole title of this ad is. So let's take that. Very simple. Control V. Now you can work on this as much as you want. It's an ad, and we publish it. Now we have another blog online working for us. Just a copy to the link to the ad. And you get a post link to all your blog posts too, so you can send people directly to your blog posts. And here's the new blog post already online. Okay, right next to our other blog post where we already have a visitor. Okay, and there you go. Very simple. God bless and take care.